What if you could have the easiest and most delicious way to grill meats, seafoods, and vegetables in a compact grill with carbon graphite plates? Introducing the Grill X. Grill every day, rain or shine with Grill X. Grill X consists of a body frame, plate, and lid. The plate uses carbon graphite with the same composition as charcoal, and this plate creates a smoky charcoal flavor. That looks delicious! Grill X's convection airway design makes it juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside. Grill X is designed with a space between the main frame and lid so air can come in through the sides, hit the lid, and flow downwards to create a current of warmed air. The mirror surface of stainless steel reflects far infrared rays and efficiently transfers heat to the entire food. The lid can be propped up. Grill X is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, induction, electric, and of course, open flame. You can easily clean it after using it. That is the Grill X. The compact shape makes removing the grill easy. Charcoal grilled food makes you drool with the sound of the juices and the aroma of the food. But these grills can have problems that make the cooking process difficult and less fun. Cheap cookware may indeed be tempting, but in the end, it quickly becomes garbage. We at Kiwamiate value sturdiness and long use, even if the price is a little higher. It's not only actually more economical, it's good for the planet too. We tested thousands of designs and prototypes to invent the best grill for you. Our brand name Kiwamiate means ultimate taste in Japanese. Back our project today.